Tomorrow you're going in the bridge. What bridge?
The one that I see.
Oh, that bridge? Oh my god. Oh my god.
What is it?
The lady over there, her dress. Oh my god. Okay, she figured it out.
That's so nice.
Oh my god. I wanted to just run to her. Oh my gosh. A lady came out to pump her gas and her dress was up and showing all her ass. Oh my god. Oh my god. I feel so bad for her. I just wanted to run to her. But she figured it out real quick. I'm gonna tell her, didn't see that. Hi Fizz. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Tell her it's gone. It's gone. Tell her ask me to join. Baby, say morning.
Morning, guys. I'm not driving.
You guys, we are at the gas station. Tyler, can I say morning to the Fizz?
Oops.
Where are we going? We're going picnic. We're going picnic because Tyler been asking to go on picnic all week. I don't know where he get this from, but he's been asking to go on picnic. We went on picnic last summer a few times and he liked it. Maybe he remembers and wanted to go. So I did some sandwiches and pick up some snacks and pick up some juice and pack our bag. Yeah.
I didn't see the picnic yesterday.
Okay. So I packed some goodies and we look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Thanks baby girl for giving me that big one right there. Pack up some things. Babe find a good spot. So babe always wanted to go to this spot close to Monaco. So we're heading there now. It's about 30 minutes drive. So I have towels and some food in the bag and we are heading there right now to have a good time, to have a good day. We're gonna eat and we're gonna do a little tourism and let Tyler have some fun and just enjoy the day. It's a beautiful day out.
Game.
Yeah, Tyler said he wanted to bring Power 4, so we bring that for him to play. So yeah, we are just gonna have a good day out and make it a good day. It's sunny out. You don't really need any big jackets, but we still bring our jacket because the weather said it was gonna be cloudy, so there should be a little cloud in there somewhere.
Mama?
Yes, Tyler.
Where is
I washed my hair last night. Where is who?
Jay?
Where's Chase?
Yeah,
Where did you put him?
I don't know.
I don't know where he is. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Make sure you guys are taking in the good weather if you get it today like us, and just enjoy the day with your family or whatever time of the day that you guys are watching this. Enjoy, stay in love and blessed, and we love you guys. You find it?
I wanted to know how much.
And baby's back from pumping gas. So we're gonna hit the highway right now and head to our destination, and of course we'll take you guys along our day. See you guys later.
visit a big house?
Yes.
This is the first place. The second place is where you are, where we used to go on top of the hill, the castle on top of the hill, and you see a little bit of the promenade, the blue. That's the promenade.
You guys, we're here at the spot that babe shows, and it's so beautiful. It's so breathtaking. Let me see if I can show you guys. Yes, Ty.
Look over there.
Yeah, I see it. You ready to go?
It's go to the moon, Mama.
All right, so let's go to the moon. Come on. We're going down here. Yeah. So we have trails to walk. Mama got you. Yeah. Yeah.
Like we just
Look down there. Over there we're going to sit and have picnic. So we go which way? Oh my gosh. Yeah. So Monaco is down there, you guys. So we could have, the safer was that way. But you gotta take one of Tyler's car and you have to hold Tyler's hand. Over here. We seen Monaco down there, Ty, look. Look at Monaco down there.
see the port.
Mama.
Yes, Ty. Look how beautiful that is. Huh? We're going to have the picnic now. Mama just taking some pictures. Huh?
Mama.
Not here, Tyler.
Me too, Ty. We're going to do that right now. I think we should go just eat and then walk. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Pretty. We're on top of Monaco, you guys. So pretty.
Okay, this is swimming pool on top of a lot of apartments. I
Mm?
don't know if it's hotel or swimming
All right, let's go. Tala, let's go.
Going down with all the people were.
So we're doing the trail. We're not gonna fall. I do go continue here. Continue here. Yes, Ty? Mama have you. Mama have your hand. Okay? It's safe now. It's something else. Wow, Tyler, look at this. A tunnel. Yeah. Yep. We're going up there.
Which way are we going, left or right?
Left. Here, honey, let's not sightsee now. I'm hungry. When we're coming back down from up here, we can stop everywhere when we're coming back down. I just need to find somewhere to eat right now.
Be careful on the rock. Whoop, whoop. Oh. We're getting fall on the rocks, guys. Because the rocks are safe.
Which way?
Mama,
Yeah, we just need to find a spot.
Mama,
Yeah?
how about I want to go in the ant.
Oh!
The ant is the rock that I want to go with the tree, Mama.
Let him go, honey. Tell her jump. Oh!
Mama,
Yeah?
I want to. How about in the ant where the tree
Control.
is?
Okay, guys, this is our picnic view. Jeez! Look at that. Tell her it's not pretty.
Mama.
Mm?
You want that or we don't need it?
Yeah, I'm thinking we should go right there. Here? Ty, come. Papa says stay here. Come. Yeah, we're gonna put out the picnic now right there.
Here you can see the amount of powder.
Ah, look. Babe, come in the shot. Look, Ty, look. You're hiding the view, baby.
I'm doing left.
I don't know, somebody else was sitting here.
I was trying to see they have three pots. The one that is beside the stadium that you saw earlier. Is it on top of the...
No, beside. Wait. Wait. I said to wait.
I'm sorry.
That's the only thing about the
You don't know where to put the ass?
Yeah, I mean maybe there's a hole somewhere.
Yeah, but the holes won't be big for you to fall or hurt, you know.
Mama, this one is so cool.
Don't trouble it.
This one is so cool. This. And also the green.
Okay, this one is corned beef sandwich. Okay, and this one is ham and cheese sandwich. Okay,
Which one you want, Tyler?
so you choose which sandwich you want. Let me show you this one. So that's ham and cheese, and that's corned beef. Okay. So that's lunch, you guys. Ham and cheese sandwich, corned beef sandwich. Baby's just taking it all in. He's just taking in the view.
Yummy.
It's yummy?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. These two playing power 4. So Tyler think he's playing power 4. Power of 4. Power of 4. I'm 100% sure about that. What do you call it in French? I know that. What does that translate in English? Well, duh.
Tell I have one.
He's just going with.
Look, tell I won. Look.
Tyler, you win.
You're 5, you're 4.
You just want to put them in. That's all he care about. He's so hilarious. Tyler, you're funny.
Hi guys. Look who is there watching the view.
Say hi, babe.
Hi, babe.
You have fun, Tyler? You had your picnic? What did you eat? I can't hear you.
Hi, sandwich.
So this is the city of Monaco. This is Italy behind. I think we can see the stadium from where we are. Oops. It's just behind these little trees. So this is 1, 2, 3 port on the right. Let's see if we can go closer. This is Rock. Look. Oops. Right. So this is the stadium here.
You're gonna fall.
In your eyes, in your eyes.
No, now you're gonna fall. No, nothing like that.
No.
You're gonna fall.
You having fun?
Yes, Stella, over here giving me lots of kisses. I don't wanna stop. Okay, stop now. Stop.
I think from this side we're going to go.
Look, Mama.
It's very pretty down there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, so this is not Monaco anymore? Okay. But this one have more houses than apartments. It looks very upscale.
Mama.
You guys, life on the edge. This is life on the edge. Yeah, very new.
Mama.
Yes, my love.
We have to go. Mama.
Take your time. Oh my gosh. If I had done this trail when I wasn't pregnant, it would be more fun. No, go back over there. Because now I have to be careful where I step, and it's a lot of stones. What happened? In this bag? If there's nothing in the tins, then go ahead. Come. Give Papa your hand, baby. This is what the trail looks like. He's picking flowers. Hold on. Aww. Oh, you're giving Mama flowers. You're gonna put it in my hair? Put it in my hair. Thank you. You put it?
Papa, il va t'aider.
Papa, regarde me.
Attends.
Put it behind my ears here. Thank you, baby. Give me a kiss. Come, give me a kiss. Thank you. My baby, give me a flowers. So this is how the trail looks. So I have to be very careful when I walk.
Mama.
Yes.
I put the flower on the mama head. The next garden.
This is just a view from another side. The stadium is here. Stop. There's another city down there. Which way you want to go? Go. Go. Tyler is having fun. Be careful on those rocks. Take your time.